Tell me why this video that is 8,000 views is making more money than a video in my other channel that has 31,000 views. I'm going to explain why that is, because this channel has 8,000 views and made $31. This channel has 31,000 views and made what? $12. I've not checked to confirm, but I'm going to put it on the screen, right? It might be similar, it might be less, but the point is the views, this is way higher than this, and you'll be wondering why. I'll explain why. This 8,000 views has the CPM of $3.58, and the RPM is $1.54, making it all $13, right? And that's because the audience is from Nigeria, United Kingdom, United States, and the likes, right? The impression click-through rate is 6.6%, and the impression itself is 97.1 thousand views. Have you noted that down? I want to let you understand the difference so you see and understand how YouTube works. It is ridiculous. It is just ridiculous. I'm coming. The video has 31,000 views. Are you paying attention? The reach for this video is 290,000 impression. The impression click-through rate is 6.9%, right? Views is 31,000. The CPM is $3.62. Are you paying attention? Now, where the issue is and why this video has a revenue of $12.74. Almost the same with this one that has 8K views, and the RPM is 0.41 cents, $0.41, and you'll be like, why? But the CPM is almost the same with this one that has 8,000 views. And one of the reasons is the audience location. Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, they are not country that advertisers are willing to pay high revenue for. Just all that. That's one of the reasons, right? So the main reason why this video has 0.45 or 41, sorry, $0.41 is because this video was posted before I got monetized, right? So as at then, I was let's say 100 subscriber away from getting my 1,000 subscriber and 1,000 watch hour away from getting my watch hour, the 4,000 watch hour. So the video was already picking up before I got monetized. It was already ranking up views. So YouTube was running ads for themselves. They're already making money off of the video, because if you don't know, now you know that YouTube runs ad on every video on YouTube, whether you're monetized or not. YouTube was already making money off of it. Then, because of the video was gaining traction, and I was like, oh, this is an avenue for me to make money, to start making money, I pushed the video out to my other platform that people to subscribe, because how many 100 subscribers, and my watch hour was building up because of that video. I got monetized. The video was still gaining traction. So immediately I got monetized, the RPM as at then was 0.0, a ridiculous amount. I think 0.06 cents, $0.06 was the RPM from that video. It was ridiculous. It was very low. And I noticed that for my vlog channel too, that when you're not monetized and you are suddenly monetized, and a video as at that period is picking up, your RPM is not going to make sense. And it's not just that video when you get monetized. It is any video you upload after you get monetized, especially videos that are not ranking up views. Because I could also realize that after that video, I was like, okay, let me keep posting. Maybe another one will pick up. Plus, I was already monetized. It is more of, now let's be posting because we need to make the money. Those videos did not get any revenue because it was not ranking up views until later on. Then those videos start picking up. I don't know, honestly speaking. I was also shocked. The more the video picks up, before it got to 31,000 views, the RPM was picking up number by number. So if you're gonna check it, I'll see 0.07, I'll see 0.08. It's not every day. This is like days in between, weeks in between. And I was just worried that, so it is how this viral video is just going to go and I'll not make money off of it. So at the point, the RPM keep, ranking up. And can you imagine, this is like, I think a year later. Yeah, this is almost a year later, and the video's RPM is still $0.41. And that is why if you times it with the views, 31,000 views, you get 12.74. You see what I'm saying? It is not about, oh, I want to get monetized. It is about what happens when you get monetized. It is about, you need to keep grinding. Don't relax. Don't say, oh, I'm monetized now, then you are relaxed. No, you need to keep putting in the work. So that was the reason, because you can see that the CPM was $3 plus. So then the RPM should be like at least $1, like this 8,000 views. But like I explained, that's the reason. The video was already gaining traction before I got monetized. Anyways, that's why this happened. Anyways, I hope you're able to learn, because this is what I'm here for, to teach you, to make you understand and not make you get confused, because it is a lot. It is a lot. If you believe, oh, I'm just here to make money, no, you need to be here to better yourself. You need to be here to also make money, but make sure you better. When you better yourself, when you understand everything, you're going to be able to understand it when your money comes or why your money is not coming. You get what I'm saying? See you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.